Okay, hi guys. Good evening, guys, all of you. The next type of predefined function in single row functions category, okay, and that is what it is here, string functions. This is a second category. So in this, let you come out and see the string functions. So the few string functions we are going to be discussing here. Like we can go for, first one is called as a length function. So guys, here length function, this function we are going to be using to returns, okay, a length of, okay, it returns the length of a given string, length of the given string. Whatever the string expression is given, the string length I need to find out. So when I need to find out the string length, so there we are using, okay, so there we are using what now, string, okay. If I want to find out length means number of characters. In number of characters, how many number of characters are there in this string? So that number of characters we need to count and return the length of this string, okay. So when you come back here, some examples on this. Okay, let you see, I'm passing here length of some string I was sending here, for example, hello. Hello is a one string, and now I want to know about how much the length was having in this hello means. The hello is having total number of characters are 5, so it was showing 5. The total number of characters are 5, and it was showing 5. Okay, so in the same to same, for example, when we want to see here length of suppose some expression I'm giving, well space com, come, and in between welcome I was given a space, okay. So here 1, 2, 3, and space is also counting 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 characters will be there. So that means in this string, whatever the space I was given, the space is also countable. The space is also countable. Okay, like this. Come to the table. Okay, suppose I want to know ename. Okay, length of ename. Okay, from emp table, let you see every employee name is displayed, and in this employee name, how many number of characters are there, the length also we can finding now. Okay, so Smith is having 5 characters, Alan 5, Word 4, Jones 5, Martin 6, like Blake 5, Clark, Scott, King. Okay, so that employee name is having how many number of characters, and what is the length of employee, what is the length of employee name, so that I can find out. In the same to same, if I want to say I want to display employee details, whose employee name, that means whose employee length of ename is equals to 6. So which employee length of, okay, length of name is 6, so that we can go for to retrieve here. Let you see 6 employee length is what now, Martin employee length is 6, and the next employee is what now, Turner 6, next one what now, Miller 6. So there are 3 employees are there whose employee name is having the 6 characters, whose employee name is having 6 characters. Okay now? So like this we can use length function, guys. Okay, in the same to same, later the next functions are called as a lower functions and upper function. So lower and upper. So these functions are we are using the lower function. Okay, lower, okay, is used to convert from uppercase characters into lowercase characters. Okay, lowercase characters. Okay, lowercase character. In the same to same, upper function is quite opposite. Okay, upper function is used to convert from lower case characters to characters into uppercase character. So these are the two functions, guys, lower and upper. So once you get the lower idea, automatically get upper idea. Okay, right. So for example, let you come back to see. Suppose I'm passing lower of one of the expression hello. Hello is a string I was used here, but here hello string is called as a upper, and that I need to convert into lower. Okay. In the same to same, when I want to go for to display all employee names, okay, so I want to display all employee names in lowercase. I want to display here, so then I have to write here select okay, lower of okay, so ename from emp table. So every employee, all employee names are we are going to be displaying into lowercase characters. Okay, now so we can use lower and upper in such a case. Okay, now so I think you understand uppercase how to write. Okay, now so there is a no need much explanation on this. Okay, right. And later next one is called as a init cap. So these are very basic functionalities, guys, here. So that's why the main functions we are going to be discussing here. Okay, now init cap. So init cap function, what it will do means it was going to be to convert the initial character. That means the first character, converting the first character as a capital. So init cap means in your string expression, which one is the first character in the string expression or string statement. So the first characters will be converting as a capitals. The first characters will be converting as a capitals. For example, let you come out and see. Suppose I just pass it here. Okay, init cap of suppose I'm sending one expression is hello. So hello, one string I'm going to pass in here, but hello expression, all hello expression in this all are having small case characters. But when I'm using init cap on this string, whatever the first character is there in the string, that first character only converting as a capital and remaining all are same. Okay, the remaining all are same small case, but only the first character, whatever it was there, H, that H will be converting as a uppercase character. Okay, now, and remaining all are small case characters. Okay, in the same to same, when you are passing like that, okay, init cap of, suppose I'm passing here, okay, for example, Kamal space Kumar. Okay, suppose I'm passing here Kamal space Kumar. So now if you want to send here some expression, now you can see in Kamal, so K all are small, but they are capital, first character is capital in the Kamal expression, and Kumar in the first one is called as a capital. So in every string word, so first character will be converting as a capitals. Okay, so this is what we call as, guys, here. Okay, init cap. And the next one is, the next function is, okay, next function is ltrim and rtrim. Okay, ltrim and rtrim. Okay, so these functions, how it is means, ltrim function, okay, what it will do means it will be remove, okay, remove unwanted characters, okay, from left side of given string. Okay, so rtrim, okay, remove unwanted characters from right side of given string. Okay, now so this is what we call as here. So now the syntax will be take out for those both the syntax will be take out the both ltrim Okay, so here I'm passing string 1 comma string 2, and the same trim rtrim. So rtrim also same like this, string 1 comma string number 2. Okay, now so this is ltrim rtrim functions now. So now here observe, let you come out and see. For example, I'm using ltrim. So I'm using ltrim. So ltrim, some unnecessary I'm giving, like here left side sai is a string. So here some xxx, some unnecessary characters I was given along with x. Whatever in the left side unnecessary character was there, that I need to remove here from the left side, that is called ltrim, and finally it was showing psi. So left side, whatever the unnecessary character was there, that will be avoiding here. Like this here, suppose I want to see ltrim of, suppose I'm passing 1 2 3 psi, I want to pass, then unnecessary 1 2 3, if I'm sending from this dual, the left side 1 2 3 is going to be removed here, and going to be psi was going to be display now. Okay, now so this is ltrim, and the same pattern you can use rtrim also. Okay, now right, next one is what now, trim. So ltrim means left side, rtrim means right side, but trim means nothing but what now, this function is used guys here, the both. So both sides of unnecessary characters or unwanted characters, if it is there whatever, the both side unwanted characters will be removed here. Okay, now removed here. So that is called as a trim. It means it is a combination of ltrim and rtrim. Okay, now so now when you see the syntax of this trim of okay, I'm passing here, so trimming, so trimming character, okay, and from I'm giving here string, trimming character, and I'm giving here string. Okay, now so now let me see. Okay, for example, let me call it here l, okay, trim of, so suppose trim character x, okay, and from trimming character x, syntax whatever, yeah, trimming character x, okay, from, and suppose I was having here some psi and some right side some what is there. Okay, now so from dual, so left and right side whatever unnecessary character x was there, in the left side of psi and the right side of psi, the both are avoided and showing as a trim, and showing as a trim. Okay, showing as a trim. Okay, right, so this is trim function. Next one is called as lpad. Okay, lpad function and rpad. Okay, lpad function, rpad. So what is lpad? Lpad function, so padding, okay, padding characters, padding characters at left side of given string. Okay, and rpad is nothing but padding characters at so right side of given string. So your padding is nothing but, don't confuse here. So what is the mean by padding? Okay, if it is a padding of okay, padding means, yes, simply we can say is nothing but adding. Okay, so if any confusion is there, somebody is not understanding them, so then we have to go for like adding. So adding characters at left side of given string, adding characters at the right side of the given string. Okay, now the syntax will be like this. The syntax will be like this. So lpad of, so I'm giving here string 1, and I'm giving here length. Okay, I'm giving here string number 2. Okay, now in the same to same rpad syntax also the same. Okay, this is lpad and rpad, right? Now, so now let you come out. So for example, let you see, suppose I'm passing here lpad of So one of the statement I'm passing, for example, string is passing hello is a one string, and now I'm giving some length is 10, and another string I'm giving here, suppose at the rate symbol. So what it mean here, observe carefully. Here hello is a string. In a hello string, how many characters are there in the given string? Means there are 5 characters are there. In a hello, how many characters are there? Means there are 5 characters are there. Okay now? So length is how much I was given here, 10 I was given length. That means your string expression 1 2 equals to length of, or it, the string 1 2 equals to length. How many characters are minus here? 5 characters are less than. So now your string length is less than 5 characters of the given length. So the given length is 10, your string length is 5. That means how much difference here? How much difference here in between length and string? In between length and string, how much difference? Means there are 5 characters are different. So in that 5 characters places, what it will be take means it will be take at the rate symbol will take a 5 characters. That means at the rate symbol is adding how many times? Means remaining 5 times is adding to your string on left side. Now you can see, so adding the remaining whatever it is there at the rate, how many times adding? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 10. So that means whatever the length I was given 10, now the 10 is successfully satisfied now. The 10 is successfully satisfied now. Yes. So this is padding. Padding means adding. So in your string, how many number of characters are less than 2 the given length? So that many times that specific character will be adding to left side. If in the same to same right side, so when I have to use, for example, in right side I'm using r pad, the remaining same expression I have to take now. Remaining same expression I'm taking now. Now this is right side, your characters are adding. So this is left padding and right padding we can call as. Okay now, right. And the next one is called as, guys, here. The next function is called as here replace. So replace function. So replace function, what it will do means that it was going to be replacing one string to another string. Okay, to replace, okay, one string to, okay, one string with another string and other string. Okay, so now syntax you can see. So what is the syntax to replace? Replace of string 1, string 2, string number 3. Okay, now this is what. Let you come out and see. Suppose are you passing here? Okay, replace of, suppose I'm going to sending one string is, okay, I'm sending one string is, for example, hello is a one string is given. In this hello string, ELL, this is a ELL means it is a part of in the string ELL. I want to replace with XY. I want to replace with the XY. So now let you see. So ELL, in place of ELL, whatever the next string I was given XY, that XY is going to be plain. So that means ELL place, I replaced it with the XY. I replaced it with the XY. Okay, now So that is called as a replace. One string to another string, we need to replace it here. Okay, now, right. Suppose if I want to go for translate, if I want to go for translate, so this function, how it was going to be using, guys, here means the translate is using. So to translate a single character by character, a single character by character will be translated. Okay, so the syntax will be translate of. So here also I need to send, okay, string 1, string 2, string 3. Okay, so replace and translate difference is what? Observe. Replace, what we said, one string to string we can replace, but translate is not like that. It's a character by character it going to translating. Okay, na? So that is what we called as. Now for example, let you see, I was given here translate of same expression. I'm giving hello and ELL. Okay, I'm taking now. So ELL I'm going to taking, or ELO, if I'm taking ELO, I'm taking as a XYZ, as a XYZ. Then what it was going to be happen, guys, here ELO, I was taking the characters ELO, then this ELO characters one by one translating with the XYZ. So that means what it was happening, in place of E, what it was replaced X. In place of L, what it will be replaced Y. In place of Z, that means O, what it was replaced Z. Okay, now? So now this is how will we go. Now my expression is what now? HELLO. Then substitute. H means as usual. So E means what I want to give. In place of E, what I want to use X. So now I'm using X. So now in place of L, what I want to use Y. But how many L's? 2 L's. So how many times substituted Y? 2 times. Now you can see. So Y. In place of O, what I want to go for Z. So now here it will be take Z. So what it was happen, guys, here, every individual or every one by one character will be replacing here. That is, a string is replaced, string to string. String means group of characters. String to string replaced by replace function. Translate function, how it was replaced means character by character. Okay, now let you see. Now I'm using see H, E place X, L place Y, but 2 L's are there. That means 2 times Y, and O place Z. So this is what we called as here translate. Character by character, it was going to be changing or replacing. The next one is called as the next function substring. The next one is called as a substring. So substring function using is what now? Okay, so to return the required substring from given string. Okay, the required substring from the given string, right? Now syntax is observed. So I'm using substring of so careful observe string. Okay, I'm using a string, and later I'm passing here starting position of character. Okay, and length of characters. Okay, now so substring, string, starting position of the characters, position of character, and length of the string. Now let you come out what it means. Suppose are you passing substring of one of the string, I'm passing welcome. So carefully identify, guys, here in welcome string how many number of characters are there. Let you count here. Okay, how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total how many number of characters in the string? Substring means there are 5 characters we have it. There are 7 characters are we have it. So these are the 7 characters, and now I want it, for example, I want data the position of character 4. So I want to fetch my required substring from the position of 4th character position. So 4th character, which character is there, guys? Here C. C is a 4th position characters. Yes or no? C is a 4th position of character. From that position of character, how many characters you wanted? For example, 3. Now close, and I am writing from dual. So from 4th position character, from 4th position character, how many you wanted here? 3 character. 3 character means what now? 4th position is what now? C. After C, what is next? O. After O, next what is here? M. So 3 characters. C, O, M. Okay. So that will be taking us, let you see, 4, 3 from dual, and now see COM came out. Okay, now so this is called a starting position of the character, from which position of character you wanted. That is called a starting. How many characters you wanted? So 3 characters, 3, 2 means 2, 4 means 4, whatever it is. Suppose if I'm passing, 2, if I'm passing from dual, then what happened here? 2 characters will come out from the 4th position, CO. Understand now? So this is a way your substring you can fetch from your given string expression. Okay, now right. So these are some string expressions, string functions which is predefined in our database, guys. Okay, and the next category of function, date function. The next category of function, date functions. Okay, now right. In date function, first one is called as a sysdate. So sysdate, what it was written means, it returns the current date information of the system. So in your system, whatever the current date was showing in your laptop or in your computer or in your system, whatever the current date are showing us, that current date information is returning by sysdate function. Okay, now so let you come out. So I'm browsing, select sysdate from, okay, I'm passing your dual. So then what it was happen in my computer, in my system, what is my date? So can you see my date? So what is my date? Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. So 18th May 2021, the current whatever the date was there in the system, that information will be returning us. Okay, so that is called as a sysdate function we called. Okay, right. In the next function is called as here add underscore months function. So this function we are using for what purpose? Means adding number of months to the given date. Okay, now so now syntax will be add underscore months of, so now I want to give date expression, comma, and I need to pass here number of months. Okay, Let you come out and see. So now I'm passing. Select. Okay. Add underscore months. Add underscore months of. Suppose I'm passing here sys date, and I'm passing here 10 months from dual. So here sys date means what now, guys? Here the current date. What is the current date in my system? 18th May 2021. So that is called a sys date information. So 18th May, to this May, I want to add 10 months. I want to add 10 months. Okay. So when you add 10 months, that means what it was come, guys, here. What is the next date it will come? So May is a June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So let you see the next date is how much here? 18th March 2022. 18th March 2022, because current my date is 18th May 2021. To this May month, I want to add exactly 10 months. I'm adding. The next date is March 18th, 22. Okay. Now. So this is what we called as year add months. And the next one is called as a months underscore between. Months underscore between. So it returns. Okay, it returns. Okay, number of months in between the given date expressions. The given date expressions. Okay, syntax. The syntax is, I want to go for months underscore between of months underscore between of. Now you can see date 1 comma date 2. Okay, date 1 comma date 2. Okay, let you come out. So now I'm going to pass in. Select months underscore between. I'm passing first date. I'm giving here. Suppose the first date I'm passing here. So 18th dash May dash. Okay, so 2020. Second one is I'm passing here 18th dash May dash. Okay, so 2021 I'm passing. Okay, so here observe 20 and 21 I was given. So 2021, that means low year to high level year I was given. So 20 is a low and 21 is high. Then how many months are difference, and that months in which manner it was displaying here, observe. So it's a negative manner display. It's a negative manner display. Okay, now when your date 1 is less than to date 2, so your date 1 expression less than to date 2, then it returns negative values. That's why if you wanted positive value, then your date 1 is always greater than to date 2. It means what? Now you have to write like this. So greater, date 1 is always greater than to date 2. So May 20. Where I'm giving like this year, then it was going to be, okay, giving positive way. Okay, now? So that means date 1, what are the point here? It's very important. Okay, what do you say? Date 1 is always date 1 is always greater. Okay, is always greater than to date 2. So then only it was written positive, otherwise it returns negative values. Okay, now, right? So like this, these are the date related some functions. Okay, now next one is conversion function, the next category. So in conversion functions, the very oftenly we are using the few functions in this conversion. So in this first one we used here to_char function, and second one we are using to_date function. So these two functions very oftenly we are using. So let me see how to use this to_char and to_date. Okay, first one we will go for to_char function. So this function is used, guys, here. Okay, date type 2, that means a date type is converting into, otherwise you can type if you want to understand, converting date type to character type. Okay, this function is used date type to character type. Okay, and display data information in different formats. Okay, in different formats it will be displayed. So whenever you want to display your date in different formats, okay, there you can use it, this to_char function. Okay, now, so what is syntax for this? Means to_char of I have to give your data, and now here I have to give what now? Format. I want to give data, and later I want to give format. Okay, now, right? So this is, and let you see some examples. I will show you one by one. And first one is I'm showing year format. So year formats, how it was going to be printed. Year formats, observe. So suppose if you want to display, if you are giving the intervals like y, it represented what now? The 4 digits of year is going to be displaying purpose. Suppose are you giving YY? Here what happened? The last 2 digits of year is going to be displayed. Next we are using YEAR, means it was giving here, okay, year spelling, okay, complete year spelling, and that means in spelling wise, like it is called as a characters wise, it was displayed. Later CC is nothing but this is which century. The century, either 21st century or 20th century, whatever it was displayed. Next AD and BC, these are telling after death of Chris year and before Chris year. So before or birth of Chris year. So this was telling. So whenever you want to display the different formats of your dates, then you have to use, these are the formats which were supported in our Oracle. But these formats of data, when you want to display, compulsory we should use a to_char function to displaying your data. Okay, now? So for example, let you see. Suppose I'm calling select to_char of sysdate. So sysdate means my current system date is displayed. Suppose if I'm giving in this current date only y I'm giving now. Okay, from dual, what it was happening, guys, here, whatever the date expression I was given, in the date expression, the year part will be displayed in which format, means 4 digits format. Let you see, yeah, 2021, the 4 digits format displayed. Suppose if I'm giving here, the sysdate YY I'm passing now, then it was displaying the last 2 digits of year 21. So year different subject, year 4 digits of year format and your last 2 digits of year format display. Suppose are you given now YEAR, if I'm giving now from dual, then what happened? It was showing in the text format 2021. So in the spelling format 2021. So different subject, YYY means 4 digits, YY means last two digits. YEAR means in the character format spelling. Understanding? No? So which way you want to display your year format? Okay, that format of interval, you can use it. Suppose I'm giving all at a time in one format, observe. You can understand. YYY space, YY space, YEAR. Okay, space. I'm giving all in one format. Okay, YEAR space, CC. And now suppose AD or BC, whatever. So enter the formats I use and some oppose execute now. Let you see. So YYYY means 2021 4 digits. YYY 21 last two digits. YEAR spelling 2021 and CC century 21st century and AD, yes, your date is also AD after death of Chris. Okay, no? After death of Chris. Okay, no? So this is the way formats of year we can go to displaying, guys. The year formats how to display, understand now? In the same to say, we have like this month formats. Month formats. In month formats also, I can display in different manner. Suppose I'm using MM. If I'm using MM, this will be written month number wise it was written. If I'm using MON, and this is written the first three characters of month spelling. Okay, no? Month spelling. MONTH month, that is called as it's a full name of the month. Full name of the month. Okay, these are the three formats of months we have it. These are the three formats of month we have it here. Let you come out and see. Select to_char of sys date, and now I'm passing here MM. Okay, MON space MONTH. Okay, now the three intervals in one query I'm showing. Now you can see. So this is a month in a number format. So as per my system data, today is May. This month is May, so fine. And MON means first three characters of month spelling. So May always three characters. So three. If it's June, September, if it is there now, so first three characters are displayed. And month spelling is also complete spelling, May. Okay, now if September means September entire spelling will be taken. October means October spelling will be taken. So this is called as a month format we called as this. Okay, now later in the same pattern, the next formats are there like a day formats. Day formats. So these are all formats of interval. All of you remember it. Then only you can understand further examples in the future. Okay, now so these are all how you remembering. I don't know, but remember these are all formats, intervals. So then which format of interval I'm using in my program. So based on that you can understand immediately. Okay, so this format where data will be displayed. Okay, now? Right. So here day formats. DDD. If I'm giving now, so what it was telling, day in the year. So in the year today, as per today is what now 18th May 2021. So in 2021, okay, yearly how many days, guys? Here 365 days. If it is a leap year, 366. So now in this 2021 year, today whatever it was the 18th May, this is which day in the year. Okay, which day in the year that was telling. Next one, DD. DD means it was telling day in the month. This is which day in the month. Next year, D. It was telling this is which day in the week. Okay, that was, for example, how it was counting the days means Sunday. Okay, Sunday 1. Monday 2. Tuesday 3. Wednesday 4. Thursday day is 5. Friday the day is 6. Saturday the day is 7. So this is counting of your days weekly how many. Okay, so in such a way it was counted. Next one is what? Next interval is called a day. Day is going to be telling here full name of the day. Name of day, spelling. Okay, spelling will be showing us. Suppose dy if I'm using, what happened? First three characters of day spelling. The first three characters of day spelling. So these are the day formats. Let you see. Suppose I'm writing select to underscore char of sys date, and now passing dd space dd space d space day space dy. Okay, now as per my today data, let you see what it was happening. So today day is a 138th day in the year. 138th day in the year. 138th day in a year. Okay, now so this is what we called. Okay, now so 18th means what now? Month. In the month today, which day? 18th day. In the May month today, which day? 18th day. Okay, now so 3 means what now? It is called as a Tuesday. So Tuesday is a day is 3. Tuesday day is 3. So D means day in the week. DD means day in the month. DDD means day in the year. Understanding my point now? So like this. So now it was showing us. Next, DAY is complete day spelling Tuesday. Complete day spelling Tuesday. And dy means the first three characters of day spelling. The first three characters of day spelling. Understand my point now? Yes. So this is what now day formats we can go for. Different formats we can print it like. Okay, now? Right. In the same to same guys here. So day formats is going to be happen. And after that we have a next one is quarter format. Okay, so quarter format. So that means your day comes under which quarter? Okay, so quarter means your Q is representing, and it represents 1 digits of quarter. 1 digit quarter of the year. And quarters, how it was displayed here. 1 is written when your quarter is Jan to March. Suppose your date is having Jan to March. This is first quarter in the year. Second one is it was taking April to June is a second quarter in the year. 3 is representing here what now? July to September is a third quarter of the year. Next, fourth we called as October to December is a fourth quarter of year. Okay, this is the fourth quarter of year. So that means whatever the date are you given, the date comes under which quarter in the year? Is it first quarter in the year, second quarter in the year, third quarter in the year, fourth quarter in the year? Okay, now so that it will be written by using of quarter. So let you see, I'm writing here select to underscore char of sys date, and now I'm giving Q. Sys date, I'm giving here Q. So sys date means today system data. So 18th May. 18th May. That means May means the May month comes under which quarter? April to June. That means May month comes under which quarter in the year? Means it is the second quarter in the year. It is the second quarter in the year. Okay, now. So let you see, it was showing second. Yes, it was showing what now? Second. So second means it's the second quarter. May month comes under second quarter in the year. Okay, now. So that way it was going to be displaying your. Okay, so quarter wise your information we can display. Later in the same format, we have another thing is called as a week formats. Week formats you can see. So in this week format WW, if I'm giving this, it was representing here which week in the year. Okay, which week in the year. Okay, if I'm sending W, then it was telling which week in the month, which week in the month. Okay, so monthly 4 weeks now, so like this 12 months, and 12 into 4, and some months are having 5 weeks also. So enter the year, how many weeks are there. In those weeks, present your current date is comes under which week in the year and which week in the month. Okay, now if you know that information, then you can use a week formats intervals. So let you see, suppose I'm passing to underscore char of okay sys date, and now I'm passing here ww and w. If I'm sending this, what it was happen, now you can see. So in the year, this date is comes under 20th week in the year. In the year, this was comes under 20th week in the year. Okay, now 20th week in the year, right? And now, and this is third week in the month. So let you see, this is third week. So now you can see this is the first week in the month, second week, and 18 is comes under third week in the month. Okay, now so third week in the month and 20th week in the year. Okay, now 20th week in the year, third week in the month. Okay, now so these are some date related the formats like year, day, okay, month, okay, week, quarter. These are all are coming out in the same pattern. Now we have some time formats also there. Time format. So in time format, we all of you know. So HH, if I'm giving like this, okay, it was showing, okay, 12 hours format, it will show it by default. By default, it was showing what now, 12 hours format, your hour is showing. Suppose HH24 I'm giving now. So it was showing us 24 hours format, it was showing us. 24 hours format, it was showing us. Okay, and MI is as usual. Okay, it was showing the minutes here. So yes, it was showing like seconds. Okay, so it was showing us seconds. Now when I'm giving here AM or PM, so this is after, okay, and premium, the morning sessions here or afternoon sessions or morning, okay, that will be see AM time. Okay, and it is called as a PM time. Okay, so that also we can say it here. Suppose we can see, now I just go to come out and see this. Select to underscore char of so sys date I'm giving. So now current my time also written by using of sys date here. Current my time is 8:40:51 PM. Okay, now let you see 8:40, 55 or 56 PM something. Now let you see I'm passing HH, okay, H24, next MI, SS, or is called AM or PM. Let me see. From I'm going to sending dual. From I'm sending dual. Okay, now. So but the formats will be our formats now. So HH colon EMI SS. Okay, now so now either AM or PM that you have to use. Okay, from dual. So let you see what it was happening. Okay, so H means 12 hours I said. So your hour is showing 8 is called a 12 hours format, 41 minutes 34 seconds. But here I was given AM, but it was showing as a PM, because as per your time evening now, so this evening PM. Okay, so that's why I'm giving here AM, but it was showing PM as per your time. So this is what now 8, that means 12 hours format it displayed. Suppose you want it now 24 hours format, you want it, then you pass like this HH24 colon MI SS, now AM or PM, whatever it is, from dual. Let you see in the 24 hours format, the time is 20. 42, 34, and PM. So these are what we called as, guys, here hours. The time format you can go to checkout. The time format you can go to checkout. So these are the different formats, different intervals, different way you want to present your date and time information, okay, in our Oracle database. Okay, now this is by using of to_char function. I'm going to displaying my date and date format in different levels and different formats. I can go to show my date expressions. Okay, this is what we called as a to_char function. By using of this kind of activities and operations we can do. And the second one is to_date. So to_date function. This function, okay, this function, when I want to use means this function we need to use, guys. When I want to use this one means this function I want to use to convert character type to Oracle server, okay, default data format. So now we all of you know Oracle is having a default format is there. What is the default format of a date in Oracle means? So we all of you know that is what now dd-mon-yy. This is Oracle default format. Okay, now so in that format, if you want to convert your character string expressions in the Oracle date format, there you can use it to date. That means to which you want to convert. In which you want to convert, that was telling by to date. So now syntax observe. To_date of, here I am giving string, is a character string that I am going to showing here. Which format here? Oracle default date format. Okay, it automatically display like this. Now let you come out, see examples. Some example I'm giving now. Select, let you see. To_date of. Suppose I was given some string format like this 05-OCT slash. See, I'm using slash. Okay, now so otherwise you can see what is that? October. Okay, now so October. So you have to use like October. Okay, and slash, I can give slash. Now 2000, okay, I can give 2020. This is actually what it was, guys, here. Just a string format of data I'm passing. I'm passing which format of data here? String format of data I'm passing here. Okay, now string format of data I'm passing here. So when I'm passing string format of data, okay, this format is user defined, whatever the user is given. Okay, so now, but this, when you give this format here, what it was going to be do, your what we can to date means it was converting into which format, guys, here? Oracle format. Then you can see your Oracle format, how it will be displaying means I already said now what is my Oracle default format. So DD-MON, first 3 characters of month spell and last 2 digits, and here dash, but I'm giving the string format here slash. Okay, now so let you see what happened here. So see, it was converting into Oracle default format will be converted. So are you given string format? The string format of a date expression converting into date format of Oracle. Okay, understand here? So like we are going to be adding now. Okay, for example, let you see, suppose this is what our function, suppose are you writing like here, if I'm giving 10 days I'm going to adding. Okay, if I'm giving like this, what it was happening, you can see it was giving. So 5th slash October slash 2020 to this data, to this string expression, I'm adding how many days means 10 days. After adding 10 days to the string expression, and what is your Oracle date format showing? 15. So here I was given 5, 10 days and 15 October dash October 2020. Okay, this is also, see, whatever you want to give it, finally it was going to be displaying as a Oracle default date format. In the same to same, for example, suppose you need to done here minus 10. If you give, what happened, you can see. So minus 10 you can give. So minus 10 days minus. So October to minus 10 days. Then what is the previous date here? 25th dash September dash 2020. So this is what now to date expression, to date function, what it was telling, just converting string format of data into Oracle default date format. Okay, now so that Oracle default date format is what now? DD dash MON, first 3 characters of month spelling and last 2 digits of year. Okay, now so this is to date function, guys. Okay, now so these are the 2 conversion functions. Okay, we are going to very oftenly we are using, okay, now in our queries and examples. Okay, that you can see one by one in the future. Whenever I'm using these functions, you can immediately understand that, okay, this function we are using so and so reason, okay, so and so purpose. So these are in the predefined category of functions. First type of category, single row, and in single row whatever we have it numeric, string, date and conversion, so that we completed. Okay, and tomorrow we will go for multiple row functions. Okay, tomorrow we will see what is multiple row or grouping or aggregative also we called. Okay, these functions we will see it. So once we completed this is, then your predefined functions topic is completed. So from that your basics of SQL, fundamentals of SQL language in Oracle is finishing. Okay, now so once multiple row functions also completed, then your fundamentals and basics are completed. The next concept onwards, every concept is a main concept, and those main concepts we are spending more time, so more explanation, more time we are going to spending on main concepts here. So these are all our fundamentals, predefined fundamental. That's why, so one by one just I'm showing how it was work. Okay, now so but once you're finishing this concept from tomorrow, okay, and the new concepts from the next onwards, after this concept, whatever the next concepts onwards, every concept is a most important concepts in your Oracle. Okay, now so like a joins, like a subqueries, like a database security, okay, like a partitions, like a lockings, like a indexes, like a clusters, okay, like a sequences, okay, now like a grant and revoke commands. So everything whatever we are going to learning, okay, from the next topic onwards, every topic is a main and important topics. So there we will go one by one. And up to here these are the fundamental and basics of your SQL in Oracle part. Okay, now right, guys, that was, and tomorrow we will see multiple row functions. Okay, right, guys, thank you so much, and tomorrow we will go for that.